Welcome back to Chris Builds. This is what I hope is going to be the last episode on fabricating this exhaust for my custom bike. On the last episode, we finished out all the principal welding and got the collector welded up to the header pipes and everything kind of set in place. On this episode, I need to make the brackets that suspend the actual exhaust from the motorcycle. I'm going to make those out of stainless steel using some cardboard templates, tack them in place, and then weld them out. I also need to fabricate all the spring clamps that hold all these slip fits together. So I have one slip fit here where the silencer meets the collector, and I have one slip fit up here where the rear header pipe meets the front header pipe. All right, so those are the last items to finish up this exhaust. Let's get to it. Okay, so I've been headed in this direction for a little while. I was going to make a little bracket that welds on here and connects to the rear set here. And I don't think that's going to work. I just took the shock out to check the swing arm clearance as it goes through its travel, and there just isn't enough space between the swing arm and the rear set to accommodate the hardware and this bracket. So, iteration one, that's not going to work. Let's try something else. Plan number two coming together on the bracket to support the silencer. I think my next idea is to utilize these bolts for the mount for the brake master cylinder, to have a strap that kind of comes from here over to here, up a little ways, and welds to the back of the silencer. And I think that'll be cool because it'll have that like kind of floating appearance. You won't see that bracket very much. Drafted out an idea of what that'll look like, and let's go make it out of sheet metal. Here it is, the completed components of my exhaust system. We've got the big 2-into-1 collector system that makes up the bulk of the exhaust. We've got the rear cylinder, really just a convenience piece to help you take the exhaust on and off the bike. And finally, we have the silencer, complete with mounting brackets and spring clamps, all ready to be assembled. Let's put it together. I'm excited. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are. 100% custom made stainless steel pie cut exhaust system. That was a very ambitious project, but I'm pretty happy with how it went. I got a whole lot better at welding stainless steel and definitely learned the process of creating a custom exhaust system. I'm not jumping up and down to do it again, but if I had to, at least I know how to this time. So it was really fun. But this is going to be the last episode on this series for this stainless steel exhaust. If you want to see the rest of the videos, check out the playlist on my channel. I go through the mock-up, the weld out, making the flanges that go into the headers. There's other episodes about this exhaust system on my channel. So definitely check those out if you're just tuning in for the first time. And if you like the kind of content you're seeing, throw me a subscribe and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.